Hey everyone, Brandon David here with bumperscratch.com, working on a 2023 Ford Ranger. We got a big old digger here on the front bumper, and also, as you can see, that goes all the way in. That was really, really bad. Got some scrapes here, and also going up into the fender, along with some decoloration of the cladding on the fender flares. So a customer brought it to us. He didn't want any filler or anything. He just wanted me to do a spot scratch repair blend. So that's what I did. We matched the color perfectly for him with his OEM paint code, and he was completely blown away. Did this in about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, something like that. If you have any repairs like this you want to get a quote on, text us a couple pictures of the damage on your repair to 714-987-2995, and we'll give you a quick pay quote. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.